everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so as you guys can see from the title, I have a jewelry unboxing for you guys today. I'm so excited to work with this company. It's an amazing company. It's called Read Your Heart, and they make some amazing jewelry pieces that I'm going to be unboxing 2 of them for you guys today, and I'm also going to give you guys kind of an overview of their company and what they stand for and all of that good stuff. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's just jump right into the video, you guys. So if you've never heard of Read Your Heart, it is a company that was started by a fashion editor. She went on this amazing trip to the South Pole and she actually lost her engagement ring. And when she was traveling back to her country, she saw this lady with an amazing engagement ring that she told her was made of moissanite. And what moissanite is, it is actually lab created. It's supposed to be as hard as a diamond, look as brilliant as a diamond, but it's a fraction of the cost. And it was discovered by a scientist from a meteor. So it was originally discovered as part of a meteor and they lab created it. So there is no carbon footprint as far as mining goes. You know, diamond mines create quite an environmental impact, and this doesn't. So if you're all about sustainable things, sustainable jewelry, you're looking for something that looks as brilliant as diamonds, but you don't want to deal with the environmental impact around there, definitely check out Moissanite jewelry. So Read Your Heart jewelry is a great place to start if you guys are looking for an engagement ring, a wedding ring, or maybe like a gift for a family member, something like that. They have some amazing pieces. So I have 2 pieces right here to unbox for you, as well as a little thing that came in my package as well. So basically I just took everything out of its box to show you guys so I wouldn't have to, you know, mess with tape and try to get the box open and stuff. Everything was really securely packaged and all of that good stuff. So I want to just go over with the things that it comes with first. So if you are planning to give this as a gift, you get some really great stuff with it. So you do get this little gift bag here. I love their packaging. I am in love with this teal color. I think it's just so pretty. This is actually one of my favorite colors, is Robin's Egg Blue, and I also really like lavender, so those are my 2 favorite colors. So it does come with this amazing gift bag that you can give as a gift. It also comes with a little care booklet here, and it tells you all about how to care for your jewelry and all of that good stuff. And it also has their social media on the back as well, so if you guys want to check them out on social media or anything like that, you can pause this part of the video and go ahead and follow them. It also comes with a silver polishing cloth. I'm so glad it does, because a lot of jewelry that I've had in the past, more expensive pieces from an actual jewelry shop, did not come with this, and I had to buy it separately. So I'm glad that Read Your Heart does include this in their jewelry. And it also does come with 2 of these certifications, and both of them are certified and inspected and all of that good stuff. So I'm just gonna open one because both contain, you know, like similar details. So it does come with this authenticity card. Really nice and official. This is actually a plastic card, not a cardboard one. And then here is your Moissanite Report. Looks like this. And it basically tells you that all of their jewelry, including the one that you just purchased, is inspected, and it tells you all about the clarity of their pieces, the carats, the polish, the grading, all of that good stuff. So this is what it looks like. So each of your pieces are going to come with this, that has been fully inspected and all of that good stuff. So I love that. It makes it feel super bougie and expensive, and that you're getting, you know, a good quality product. You can definitely trust your jewelry needs to this company for sure. And then can we talk about how beautiful this packaging is, you guys? So it is that robin's egg blue color. That is what the box looks like. You definitely get the jewelry store feels with this brand without paying like out of this world prices, which I love. So the first piece is some earrings. So that's what these look like. I don't normally pick earrings whenever I work with jewelry brands. I normally go for rings, necklaces, or that sort of thing. But these definitely stood out to me. I've always wanted a pair of diamond earrings for a long time, but I just never could justify pricing, and earrings are one of those things that you can lose pretty easily. So I know my mom got a pair of diamond earrings for her birthday one time from one of her good friends, and she literally took it home and lost it like 2 days later, like one of her diamond earrings. So I just don't want to, you know, spend $500 or more on a pair of diamond earrings when you have a possibility of losing them. So these ones are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they do really do look like diamonds. So I'm going to show them to you right here. Do a little bit of a close-up. So that's what they look like. They are gorgeous moissanite studs. That's what they look like. They are sterling silver backing, and like I said, it does come with a polishing cloth if you need to clean these or anything like that. I'll kind of try to show them in different angles. They're so sparkly and gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I just can't. Look at how pretty these are. They just like reflect the light so perfectly. Like, you can't even look at these and tell me that they don't look like diamonds, because they 100% look like diamonds. Like, this stone is just incredible, and the detail and craftsmanship on these are amazing. The clarity of these, I put them back in their packaging. So I took the backings off and stuffed them in here because I just don't want to lose them. They are very tiny, very dainty, and they're just packed with sparkle. Look at how amazing these earrings look. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just can't get over it. They're so pretty. You cannot tell me by looking at these that they don't look like diamonds, because they 100% do. They are sparkly, they shine in the light. I can't get over it. I love them. So that is the first piece that I have to show you guys, and I feel like I'll be wearing those a lot. They're just very simplistic pieces that I can pair with any look, and it's gonna look great. So the very last piece I have to show you guys, I love this one. I love this one. It actually reminds me of my grandmother, and that's why I love this so much. So this is a sapphire ring with moissanite around it. I will try it on and everything for you guys. So my ring size is a little bit complicated. I feel like I fluctuate, and I don't know why, or like I've been wearing the wrong ring size for years or something like that, because I always thought I was a size 7. This I got in a size 6, and this fits me, but I feel like I could have gone a size lower. But I like this because I can wear it on different fingers. Like, I don't have to wear this on my ring finger. It fits perfect on my pointer finger. So I guess my pointer finger is a size 6, and maybe my ring finger is like a size 5 or something like that. But this is so beautiful. It is a blue sapphire. I'll kind of try to show you guys as close as I can and having it focus and all of that good stuff. So look at the beautiful moissanite stones around it. It's so pretty. And like I said, this does remind me of my grandmother, because she did have one of these rings, and she was born in September. So this is the September birthstone, and I don't care that I'm not born in September. I'm born in October. But I've always really loved sapphires. They just honestly are one of the most classic looking stones ever. And I know that Princess Kate, she has a sapphire ring that looks similar to this as well. So can we just appreciate how beautiful this ring is? So it does have the moissanite on the sides right here as well. I'm hoping my camera and everything's focusing. But it does have the stones on the side as well. Just the overall design and quality of the ring, it's amazing. So that is the ring that I got from them, and I'm pretty sure I am going to be wearing it on this finger, because if I do wear it on my ring finger, I feel like it shifts around a little bit too much. Like if I turn my hand or anything like that, I feel like it can move and shift around quite easily. So I'm probably going to be wearing it on my pointer finger. But it's just so sparkly and beautiful. Can we just appreciate how amazing this ring looks right now? And this is also a lab created sapphire. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for an engagement ring or a wedding ring, anything like that, or you just want to get a gift for your loved one, definitely check out Read Your Heart Jewelry. I will leave their link and all of that good stuff in the description box below, as well as any other details that I may have on these pieces in the description box below. So make sure you guys go ahead and check them out if you are in the market for some amazing, amazing jewelry. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you deeper.